afternoon. It's quite a windy day, as you can see. Quite some waves around here, but it doesn't keep the people from going to the beach. Wow, it's busy over here on this small piece. But while I'm at here, it's easiest as well to show you guys the Poniente side. Over here on the right, got the marina. Not that many big boats are over here, but further on in the distance you can see that Poniente is completely packed as well. What a crowd over there. Stretches her out all the way towards back there. That view of the skyline over here is amazing. All those skyscrapers from the Poniente side, I love it, and the mountains in the distance. And there are still a few clouds around it, but yesterday and the day before were very cloudy days we had over here. Thankfully it has cleared up again, and it's a lovely 29 degrees. Perfect weather to be out. Some people rowing in the distance. I wouldn't be doing that, too hot. Jet ski is a better alternative. And while I'm at the marina, why not take a nice walk through the Poniente side? We're already here, beautiful weather out, not too hot, so let's go. And there we are, multiple bars over here on the right. Not that busy right now, it's almost 6 o'clock. That means plenty of people heading back towards the hotel after a beach day. And freshen up before they go to dinner. Over here a menu of this business. Let's show you guys. And as you can see, those prices are very affordable, especially if you compare that to the fact it rides along the beach over here near Old Town. Dove park with plenty of doves over there. And on the right there's still construction going on at the Villa España hotel. Went up there today towards the rooftop. Beautiful. Everything is open except for that suspended pool that is coming right on top over there. Should be finished end of next month, and then everything is operational in the hotel. Did have contact again, hoping soon to get permission to film inside. Filming those hotels from the inside is something you definitely want to have permission for, as if you don't, then it's very easy for such a big company to take your video offline and maybe even your whole channel. So it is important for me to get that permission before I can finally video inside. Hopefully soon, guys, and I can show you guys that impressive hotel right here on the Poniente Beach. Now let's head on and take a walk over here. Gonna probably be a beautiful sunset later tonight. No clouds over here at all. Those are magnificent always. What a crowd still over here. It's 6 PM, but it continues to all the way back there, as far as we can see. Loads of people out. And yes, there's a lovely breeze as well. Water temperature is nice, I believe around 27 degrees, 26, 27. And there's still quite some space left over here, as you can see. Something I always love about Poniente Beach is the different colors they have of tiles on the floor, and there's much more green around on the promenade as well, and that does help you to stay a bit more cool. Something else that's very nice is if you walk down here, you have that white There's wide overhanging parts that provide plenty of shade for walking. So it's very nice to walk down there along the boardwalk. And the crowds, yeah, they just continue, as you can see. It's really busy over here. Now, while over here the bars aren't that high class or anything, or they are high class, but there aren't that much over here. It's less bars and everything, mostly apartment buildings, hotels, and so on. But they does have a very different vibe. And what I meant with it was, over here it's not that extravagant, it's not a tiki place, anything. It's just a bar, and in this case the Carling bar. And it's very nice to sit out here, enjoy a drink, enjoy the views as well. And I believe this place doesn't promote or stunt that much with drinks. People that come here, they do want to drink, and that is alright. Some other bars over here. This one looks fancy inside, really does. Poniente Beach, wow, and their food looks good as well. Gotta try it someday. Over here, another big grand hotel, H10 Porto Poniente. It stretches all the way towards back there. It's really big, this one. And it's really on front over here of the beach. Yeah, just a half a minute and then you're on there. So if you love that, then this is definitely a place to stay. Looks beautiful. Even that small setup right over here, just outside, looks very nice as well. Let's head up and on the way towards here. We took the downwards side. Now let's take the up route. Multiple bars and restaurants over here. Got the fresh bar over here. And you can sit as well over here on the right, where you're overlooking immediately at the beach. That's beautiful. A very nice and calm way to have a drink or even have some food for in the evening. Further on we got some more hotels. Blaumar I see over here. Some renovation work going on, but it is still open. Hotel Montemar. And further on we got bars over here like Refuel, Zodiac, Gusto Restaurant. All very nice bars to sit at, have a drink, have some food. And especially this place, Gusto, is very good. But it is recommended to make a reservation if you want to eat here. And definitely make a reservation, it's always packed in there. And this brings us already towards the construction of the front entrance of the Villa España hotel. And that is as well where I want to end this video with. I hope you guys liked it. Definitely don't forget to give a like, greatly promotes it on the YouTube algorithm. Do subscribe if you want to see more, and have a great day everyone. Bye bye.